In this video, I'll show you how to make money on Facebook in 2026. First, create a Facebook page or switch your personal profile to professional mode. This is required before you can access any monetization features. Now, here are the main ways to earn money on Facebook. The first way is the Facebook Content Monetization Program. This lets you earn from Reels, long-form videos, photos, and text posts, all from one single dashboard. The second way is Facebook Stars. When you go live or post videos, your fans can send you stars as virtual tips. You earn 1 cent per star received. The third way is subscriptions. Offer your fans exclusive content or a private group in exchange for a monthly fee. The fourth way is branded content. Partner with brands to create sponsored posts. You can use Meta Brand Collabs Manager to get discovered by brands looking for creators. The fifth way is affiliate marketing. Share product links in your posts and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. The sixth way is Facebook Shops. Set up an online store directly on your page and sell products to your audience. To qualify for monetization, you need at least 5,000 followers, 5 active video uploads in the last 30 days, and strong watch time. You also need to follow Facebook's monetization policies and post original content. That is how you do it.